Lokesh and Mihir. Karan, Lokesh and Mihir entered into a partnership on 1st of January 2019, okay, to share the profits in the ratio of 3:1:1. Okay, that's a P&L ratio given to us. Then it was provided in the deal that Mihir's share of profit will not be less than 25,000 per annum, and Karan will be allowed a salary of rupees 10,000 per annum. The losses of the firm for the year ended 31st of December 2019 were rupees 1 lakh. Before allowing salary to Karan, the amount of loss can be seen as rupees 1 lakh. Okay, we have been asked to prepare P&L appropriation account, right? Okay, we know like it's a net loss given. Let me write net loss over here, right? Net loss is amounting to rupees 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Now let us distribute. Okay, loss distributed amongst the partners in the ratio क्या इनका 3:1:1. Okay, so if I just distribute the loss, yes, how much will that be? Yes, anyone? Loss of 1 lakh has to be distributed.
60-20-20.
Okay. 60, 20 and 20. Okay, this is a loss distributed. Fine. But what we know is Mihir has been given a guarantee that he will get at least 25,000. But one more thing, we are asked to allow a salary also. Yes, if you can help me out with this particular adjustment, क्या करेंगे इसका? Karan will be allowed a salary of 10,000 per annum. The very first question, are we supposed to allow salary to Karan in this case? If yes, why? If no, why?
No, sir.
That's very correct, but why?
Sir, because it is appropriation of profit, and if there is profit, then appropriation of profit is there.
Correct. Profit है तो appropriation है, and profit नहीं है तो appropriation नहीं है. This is where like you need to remember all these things. Thank you. Okay, that's very, very correct. Okay, in case of loss, no appropriation is going to take place. No interest on capital, no salary, no commission, no reserve, right? Nothing. So in this case also, because it's a loss, salary will not be allowed to Karan, right? Okay, so that's why like I have already distributed the loss in the ratio of 3:1:1. But the guaranteed amount of profit to Mihir is rupees 25,000. Okay, now tell me what is the deficit of Mihir? How much is the deficit? 45,000. That's very, very correct, right? Minus 20 से plus 25 तक जाना है. So yes, 45,000 is the deficit. Right, deficit of Mihir will be borne by Karan and Lokesh, right? Tell me in what ratio?
3:1.
That's
3:1.
That's correct. 3:1. Now I want you to distribute this. 45,000 is the ratio. 45,000 is the ratio of 3:1. Yes.
33,750 and 11,250.
Very good. Final distribution of profit or loss. Okay, so that is now Karan was already in a loss, and that he has also to share the deficit 33,750. So his total loss will be 93,750. And over here, total loss for
21,250.
31,250. Right. Now, how are we going to show this in P&L appropriation account? So it is already a loss, but one of the partner has been given a guarantee. So let that partner take out the profit to Mihir's capital account. To Mihir's capital account, the amount of rupees 25,000. This is quite understood. And then we know like the other two partners are bearing the total deficit. Okay, so by Karan's capital, right, and by Mihir's capital. Okay, the loss total can be seen as 93,750 and 31,250. Okay, so total can be seen as 1,25,000. Done. Next sum is very important again. Like all the four sums I have taken are important. ABD, like Anwar, Biswas, and Divya are partners in a firm. Their capitals stood at rupees 8 lakh, 6 lakh, and 4 lakh respectively on 1st of April 2019. They shared the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Capital and P&L ratio is given. Partners are entitled to interest at the rate of 6% per annum, salary to BNB at the rate of 4,000 per month. ये per month का थोड़ा ध्यान रखेंगे. And this is 6,000 per quarter. Okay. So such ones are to be taken care of, respectively as per the provisions of partnership deed. ये guarantee वाला statement है, थोड़ा changed है, so please take care of. B's share of profit, okay, including interest on capital but excluding salary, is guaranteed at a minimum of rupees 82,000. Including interest on capital but excluding salary, because the partners are going to get the salary as well as interest on capital. We'll work on this point later on. And again, the important point is over here: any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by the Divya, right? So one of the partner has given the guarantee, so that partner will be bearing the deficit. The profits for the year amounted to rupees 3,12,000, right? So let me write over here first of all by net profit 3,12,000. Okay. Okay, we have been asked to prepare P&L appropriation account. Okay, fine. So we are supposed to allow interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum. It's a very simple adjustment. Let us work on that. Okay, to interest on capital, A, B, D. Okay, so A, B, and D. Okay, let us calculate the amounts, please. Capital can be seen as 8 lakh. So 8 lakh ka 6%. 8 6 yeah, 48.
48.
6 lakh ka 6%. 36.
36,000.
And D, 4 6 yeah, 24. Okay.
24.
Yes, total will be 61 lakh 8,000. Okay. So this is what is about the interest on capital. Fine. The other adjustment is regarding salary. Let us work on the salary. Salary. Right. Again, this is to be given to B and D. The two partners are there. So let me write that in a column, B and D, and let us decide the salary of B and D. Biswas and Divya at the rate of 4,000 per month. Okay.
48,000.
So 48,000. And for D, it is 6,000 per
24,000.
24,000.
That's good. Okay, so this total will come to 72,000.
72.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we had two adjustments. We are done with that. And point is salary, interest on capital, net profit aa gaya. That's all. Now let us get the profit and let us distribute the profit to partners capital account. Okay, 3 partners again. Sorry. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is D. Okay, to show the distribution of profit, let us work on the table. Right? We can see that. Can you tell me the difference between over here?
1,32,000. 1,32,000.
Total is 3,12,000 and the difference is 132.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Okay, let me write over there. Profits distributed amongst the 3 partners. And what is the P&L ratio? It is 3:2:1. Okay, so yes, please.
66,000, 44,000, and 22,000.
Okay, 66, 44, and 22. Okay. Now, let us go through that statement of guarantee. This important statement है. B's share of profit, including interest on capital, but excluding salary, is guaranteed at a minimum profit of 82. So let me write over here, share in profit, right? and including interest on capital. Let us calculate for B only. B ka interest on capital can be seen as 36,000 and the share in profit can be seen as 44,000. Correct. So total amount B receives as interest on capital and share in profit 36 plus 44 is 80,000.
80.
And what is the guaranteed amount? 82, right? I'm sure like you understood this working. Is समझ में आया? Why I'm working for B? Because B has been given a guarantee that his amount of the total amount that he receives, right, has to be 82,000, including interest on capital. Okay, so including interest on capital, his amount comes to 80. There's a deficit of 2,000 rupees. Okay, let me write over there deficit of B. Okay, that's 2,000 rupees. Now, who will bear this deficit? Who has given the guarantee? Any deficiency? Divya. That is a statement given to us. Any deficiency will have to be met by Divya, right? So D is the one, the partner who is going to bear the deficit. The deficit of B borne by D. Divya लिखते नहीं तो दिव्या को खराब लगेगा. ठीक है? Okay. BORNE. ठीक है? So let me deduct the share of rupees 2,000 from Divya's share of profit. So let me write over there. This is the final distribution of profit. Right? Anwar ko koi difference nahi pada, and Biswas will be getting 46,000 and Divya will be getting 3,000. Right? So these three amounts I'm going to show in my profit and loss application account. Okay. So this is 66,000, 46,000, and Divya will be 20,000. Done. Okay, so I'm done with this sum also. Important change यही थी, including interest on capital, excluding salary. So this is a part that we have worked out for B. Okay, so ये थोड़ा important है. Please take care of such working. ठीक है? So this is what is the heading given. So abhi like the things will be more clear. Okay. Otherwise, we were asked to prepare P&L appropriation account. This is a P&L appropriation account, but the distribution of profit will be important, right? So this is how we are going to solve this. Okay. Now, this is the sum wherein like the partner has given a guarantee to the firm. As I told you, we have different cases. In case of guarantee of profit, right? In case of guarantee of profit, one of the partner may give a guarantee, like जैसे अभी हमने देखा कि Divya is the only partner who has given the guarantee, right? Two partners can give the guarantee. Got it? So these things have been done. We are done with the sums of those type of. But this sum is again the sum where the partner has given the guarantee to the firm कि like this much amount of profit will be earned by the firm. If not, he is going to bear the deficit, right? Let us go to the sum. The sum is very easy, very simple. Just one point is important, that is over here. Yes, and guaranteed that. Yes, over here. Okay. Let us read the question. XYZ partners in a firm, ratio is 2:1. Their capitals were 80-50. Okay. They agreed to allow interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum and interest on drawings be charged at the rate of 10% per annum. Dono 10%. The drawings for the year were 15, 12 and 10 respectively. Again, one of my favorite statement, right? Yes, tell me, ये मेरा favorite क्यों है? Anybody?
6 months.
Date नहीं दी हुई है.
Good. Everybody, I'm sure like आप समझ गए होंगे कि like whenever I come up with such a smile and I say that like it is one of my favorite, so yes, that is bound to be there. You have to take care कि हाँ यार ये सर का favorite है, इसमें 6 months लेना है, तो that way you remember, recall, right? Thank you so much. Okay, Z was very active, getting a salary of 5,000 per quarter. You can see that I already underlined over there, per quarter. ठीक है? Per quarter is important. Let me remove the bold word over there. And guaranteed that firm's profit would not be less than 70,000 before charging or allowing interest on capital, interest and salary payable to Z. Before allowing salary before allowing interest, the profit should be 70,000. But the actual profit, you can see that it is 64,000. Right? Deficit तो है ही, तभी तो sum important हो जाता है. Simple है, important है. How are we going to start the sum? So by net profit, right? 64,000. And how much is the deficit? Anyone?
6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
Yes, 6,000 is the deficit, and we are going to charge that amount from Z because he gave the guarantee to the firm. So very simple, and this is only change in the sum, right? Otherwise, it is very simple then. By Z's capital account, okay, amount of 6,000. Okay, so this is what is the change and the important point for the sum. Okay, please take care. Right? Now let us start with the simple adjustments. क्या करना था? We need to allow interest on capital. So let me write over there. Do interest on capital. जो important था वो हो गया. अब बाकी sum simple है. X, Y, Z. Okay. X, Y, and Z. Yes, please calculate the amount of interest on capital for X, Y, Z. 80,000 का 10%.
8,000, 8,000.
8,500.
8 and 5. Okay. The total amount of interest on capital is
21,000.
21,000.
Okay. Next is interest on drawings also be charged at the rate of 10% per annum. So let me write over here. By interest on drawings. Again the three partners. X, Y, Z. Yes, if any one of you has done with the calculations.
756.
600, 300.
दो तो सुनाई दिया, तीसरा सुनाई नहीं दिया.
500.
500.
Okay, total is
1,850.
1850.
ठीक है. Done. Okay. So interest on capital, interest on drawings is done. Z was very active partner, getting a salary of 5,000 per quarter. I need to allow a salary to a partner to Z's capital account, right? And in bracket, I have told you to write salary. Okay. Yes. 5,000 per quarter.
20,000.
20,000. Done. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हो गया, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स हो गया, सैलरी हो गया, गारंटेड हो गया, प्रॉफिट हो गया, डन. ओके, so we are done with the sum. Okay, let us get the difference and then distribute it among the partners. So 71,850.
30,850.
71,850. How much?
30,850.
30,850.
ठीक है.
38.
Yes, I mentioned that. Two partners, capital account, right? And let me write the three partners' name over there. Okay, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Yes, if any one of you can distribute the profit in the ratio. What is the
12,340.
Just a second.
Correct or Y cut?
Let me write the ratio. 2:1. Okay. Yes.
12,340.
12.
12,340. X or Y cut?
340.
Okay.
और Z का
617.
Z का
6170.
6170.
Okay. 6170. ठीक है. So we are done with this sum also. Let us go for the last sum. This is also related to the guarantee of profit and the past adjustments together. Right? Let us read. The partners of a firm distribute the profits for the year ended 31st of March 2019 for rupees 120 in the ratio of 2:1 without providing for the following adjustments. Okay, 2:1 without providing. So ये तो error है ही. The error of distributing the profits in the wrong ratio. ठीक है. Then what are the adjustments to be taken care of? A and B were entitled to a salary of rupees 1,500 per quarter. Okay. Next, C was entitled to a commission. ठीक है, दे देंगे. This is a guaranteed profit. A and C had guaranteed a minimum profit of 48,000 per annum to B. Okay, and the profits were to be shared in the ratio of 4:3:2. Okay, that's fine. We have been asked to pass a necessary journal entry. Please take care of the word. Okay, journal entry. मतलब एक ही एंट्री करना है तो वो एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री होगा. ठीक है, एंट्रीज नहीं है. काफी सारे बच्चे यहाँ मिस्टेक करते हैं. बच्चे P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन बना के आते हैं. अरे भाई एंट्री पूछा है तो एंट्री करो ना. सब सही करा होता है तो मुझे 0 रखना पड़ता है क्योंकि P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन तो नहीं पूछा मैंने, जर्नल एंट्री पूछा है. Right? Such sums are also asked in board exams for 3 marks. Okay, please take care. Okay, so let us start with profits have been distributed in the wrong ratio. Let me take back the profits. Profits taken back. In what ratio I shall take back the profits? That is 2:1. How much was the profit? 1,20,000, right? 1,20,000 is the profit that has been taken back in the ratio of 2:1. So the amounts will be
48,000, 24,000.
48 and 24. Okay. Next now, we have to allow salary to the partners A and B, 1,500 per quarter. How much?
6,000.
6,000.
Okay, 6,000 for A, 6,000 for B. So the firm will get a debit of rupees 12,000.
12,000.
Next is C's commission. Okay, commission is 6,000. So let me give a credit to C for rupees 6,000. Okay, done. Now let us have the profit distribution. Profits distributed. Yes. Let us take the difference over here, please. कितना profit आ रहा है? 120 minus 18.
1,02,000. 1,02,000.
Okay. Now 1,02,000 को I want you to distribute in the ratio of 4:3:2. तो point में आएगा ना? कोई नहीं, we need to complete. अच्छा, एक shortcut method बता देता हूँ मैं, है ना? If I have to calculate the profit of B, that is 3/9. 3/9 is 1/3, right? Let us calculate this. B's share in profit. Okay, that will be equal to, this is just to confirm, right? 1,02,000 है, उसमें से उसका शेयर कितना मिलेगा? 3/9, that is 1/3. तो 1/3 करेंगे तो it will be 34,000, right? Which is less than the guaranteed amount. ये sure हो गया? Okay. So once we check that the partner who has been given a guarantee is getting something less than the guaranteed profit, तो directly कैसे करना है? अब वो सिखा रहा हूँ. Actually, for the time being, it's okay. This is now a guarantee amount was 48,000. तो पहले इसको 48,000 दे देते हैं. Okay, so 1,02,000 में से if I give away 48,000 to B, how much is the remaining profit?
54,000.
54. That's correct. Now I want you to distribute that 54,000 in the ratio of A and C. A and C का ratio is now 2:1. ठीक है? 36 and 18. Okay. Now finally let us take the difference for the entry. Yes. फर्म में तो आएगा नहीं. ए में कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है? 48, 42. 6,000.
6.
This is 48, 6,000. Okay, and this is 24, 24. ठीक है. So this table is basically not required. Let me delete this and let me write over here the entry. You can see that A will be debited and C will be credited. So A's capital account will be debited to B's capital account. Right? The amount is 6,000. Okay, so we are done with the sum. We are done with the chapter.